Hi, this is Dina with Pretty Productive. We're a mother-daughter Etsy shop that sells items for both budgeting and planning. Today what I'm going to be filming is a memory plan with me for the week of the 6th of April through the 12th of April. I am using a kit from Station Stickers for Easter. It's called Egg Hunt. This was a kit that I received in a grab bag because I did not have an Easter kit. So the timing was perfect. Her kits are beautiful and they are foiled. And then I'm going to also be using stickers from our shop, Pretty Productive, as well as some emojis from the Coffee Monster Co. So we're going to get started. So because it takes me an incredibly long time to lay down stickers for the base, I'm going to just speed up through this part, and then I'll be talking again as we're filling in. So what I do during the week is I put everything that happens on a day in my Erin Condren Petite Daily. So I did take the entire year, spiral bound it into one big book. But I love the fact that it's all here. I leave it on my desk and I write down a little bit about my schedule, but really anything that happened during the day, whether what I ate, if I got Happy Mail, if something happened, so that I can remember later on when I sit down to do my memory planning, whether it be Project Life or in the Erin Condren vertical. I have it all written down. So I have really enjoyed this system. And then for my work schedule, I use the Life Planner and then a personal size ring. So this is what I'm going to be referring to when I start filling in information. So I just wanted you to be able to see that one. Okay. going to do a quick recap of where the week ended up, and I'm going to really fast forward through all the middle part because I'm going to save you all for the pain of watching me try to figure out how to use this kit. So, so we are doing a memory plan for the week of the 6th, from the 6th of April through the 12th, and I'm filming this today on the 11th. So this is how it turned out. Now, this is what I have left of the kit. I think this was a mini kit, station stickers, egg hunt. All I have left are the date headers, which I put down and then took back off, and then one full box. And then the icons are left. I just, part of my sticker organization, leftover kits will go into this binder. So I do have some of the icons and the functional ones left over. So here is where we ended up. So for Monday, first of all, we'll start on the sidebar. I added what I'm currently listening to on Audible, which is the book Untamed by Glennon Doyle. Very, very good. And it's not a book that you can just listen to while you're doing something else. You really have to focus on the book because it's very robust in her story of her life. So very, very good. In fact, I stop it and take notes throughout it, but highly recommend. For Happy Mail this week, I did get an order from One Little Word and Fox and Pip. I got a sticker order from, I cannot remember the name of the company. It's something Boulevard. So sorry. I did order some inserts from Amazon for the Simple Stories book that is part of my sticker organization. And then I did get an order from Station Stickers, which this kit was in a grab bag that I had done. Whenever she offers grab bags, grab them because they are an amazing value. I think I got 3 different grab bags and I end up with like 4 different kits in the grab bag. So amazing. And I love her products. For meals this week, so Monday, cheese crust, Tuesday, pork chops, Wednesday, we had steak, Thursday, went to Olive Garden, Friday, I didn't eat, and then tonight we're having a HelloFresh hamburger meal, and then tomorrow we're having ham with green beans, rolls, and salad. I did put a note down here. I watched Cheese Shady Bang Man last night. I haven't seen that for years, so it was on TMC. It was very, very good. So I did lay down, I took off the date covers, and then I laid down headers from my shop, Pretty Productive. I just didn't like the way the headers looked on there, so they looked a little bit too big. So I took them off and put down these headers instead. I put a work sticker down, and then I put a note that I had a migraine. I left early. It's an emoji from the Coffee Monster Co. And then I completed my numbers. I got my paperwork in before I left. I did binge watch YouTube videos in bed all day long and took naps. So that was fun. A lot of sticker haul videos and sticker organization because that's what I'm currently working on. I'm currently watching on Netflix. I'm rewatching The New Girl. With Zooey Deschanel. I mean, it's funny every time I watch it. So I'm in the middle. I think I'm in season 5 or 6. So I'm getting towards the end again. And then at the night, I rolled out our trash cans and gathered all the trash out. For Tuesday, I went to work. Still wasn't feeling good, but much better than Monday. I did have 4 calls. I balanced my checkbook during one of the calls because it's a very long call. I did have a Coke Zero, which I don't really like to drink soda at all, particularly diet soda, but I was just craving it. So I did go to Sonic and get a Coke Zero. I worked on my sticker organization. I'm in the process of taking all my stickers out of the Once More with Love little book I got from Michael's that you can't lift them back off for some reason. So I've taken those all apart and I'm working on new books for my sticker organization. I did listen to the podcast Brene Brown. She interviewed Alicia Keys. I am really enjoying her podcast. I've listened to all of her books and I really enjoy it. I just love to listen to her talk. She's funny and she's engaging. She's super smart. But yeah, if you have not listened to her podcast yet, again, I highly recommend it. On Wednesday, I worked. My niece brought over Cafe Rio for lunch for all of us, which I thought was super, super sweet. The girls did go for a Starbucks run because my one other daughter came over and worked from home. So 4 of us were here working from home because our internet wasn't working. I was online looking for different books and inserts for my sticker organization, and then I decided I would shop my stash first. And I remembered that back in the day when I was scrapbooking, I used to use a 6x8 album and inserts by Simple Stories. And I had all the inserts. I had a whole container of inserts, an album. I did order another album off of Amazon, but I was so happy that instead of buying all the things, I already had used what I had. And then I went and gathered all my little photo albums that I have at the house and have started to kind of put together my system. I did go to the grocery store. I got part of Ellie's gift, who is my nephew's little girl. This little emoji from the Coffee Monster Co. is a donation emoji. So you can, they're digital files. So you pay $3, and if you can't afford them, you can just put in free printables, I think it is, as the code, and you can download them for free. So I did resize them and make them into little stickers. So there's little grocery store ones with masks, and then there's first responders and all the people that are still working, the mailmen, the people at the grocery store, and they, as a thank you to them, as well as for just like people with masks, not just at the grocery store. I did insert a picture of my daughters. They were sitting there laughing hysterically at something, probably a TikTok video. We had dinner together, which was really fun. We haven't really all 4 been able to get together with everybody trying to stay apart right now. So on Thursday, I did work. I had 2 calls in the morning. I worked on shop stickers. I'm working on an overlay and it didn't go well. So I have this little guy there with from Coffee Monster Co. just, you know, inundated. If I don't say where the stickers are from, they're from part of the kit. So the work script is from My Shop Pretty Productive. The Starbucks script is from Pretty Productive. The icons are from the station sticker kit. The menu, we did go to Olive Garden and pick up. This one is from My Shop as well. So Friday was actually a really fun day. In the morning, I had a team call, video call for a task force that I'm on. So that was fun. I did go to Starbucks. My daughters did a Starbucks run. And then I worked on orders so that I could ship them. I shipped them today. My husband did me a huge favor and went to the dump and did 2 trips to the dump to throw out boxes from a shipment that I had. So I'm working my way through it in the garage. He's not happy. I did go drop off Ellie's gift. They had a little party for her, but again, I don't want to be, you know, I don't want them to be around me and me around them. So I just dropped off the gift, said hello, and left. We did have a team happy hour. It was so much fun, and we've done them before, but this time we did the entire work group. And we've got 2 that are in New York, 1 in Oklahoma City, 1 in Boise, Idaho, 1 in Dallas. I'm in Phoenix, 1 in Carolina, South Carolina. So it was kind of fun to see just kind of what everybody was doing since we're all working at home now. We did have a very robust discussion about Tiger King and that we shouldn't judge Oklahoma by the show, but again, you know, it was a pretty funny call. So I had a Moscato wine. Everybody else had a different drink, and it was just nice. It took about an hour just to kind of catch up with everybody. We actually had 3 that are in New York that have not left their apartments for 22 days. I can't even imagine. So today is Saturday. I got up in the morning. I completed the orders and mailed them. I meal prepped and went to the grocery store. I filmed a Budget With Me video and then this video, cleaned house. And then Liam, who is my daughter's dog, had a bath today. Not happy about that. I'm finishing the laundry now. Cleaned master bathroom. And then my daughter actually vacuumed and dusted. So we're going to have dinner tonight, and then our neighbors are getting together. We do a social distancing party in the cul-de-sac where literally we stand across the street from each other and yell at each other. But we do keep our distance, but we do kind of congregate a little bit. And we just kind of stay outside and talk. Tomorrow is Easter Sunday, so my plan is to get up in the morning and watch church online. I am making a ham for dinner because It's traditionally what we do for Easter. I think my daughter and son-in-law are going to come over as well. I'm not sure. And then probably, they'll be here probably in midday. We're going to have an early dinner. And then I'll probably spend the evening just kind of relaxing and kind of catching up from the weekend. So that is my plan with me or memory plan with me for the week of April 6th through the 12th. Thank you so much for watching. Please let me know in the comments if there's any questions that you have. And if you have not done so already, please subscribe, and I'll see you the next time. Thank you so much.